Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about importance of housekeeping department. Housekeeping department. Housekeeping department may be defined as a provision of a clean, comfortable, stay and aesthetical appealing environment. By another definition, housekeeping is an operational department in a hotel which is responsible for cleaning, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas and the surroundings. The housekeeping department is typically called the backbone of the hotel, but now it is increasingly being referred to as the heart of the hotel because just as the heart pumps the life sustaining pure blood to reach all parts of the body, the housekeeping department freshen ups and investigators the entire hotel day in a day and in and day out, helps eliminate unwanted waste and is responsible for a long and healthy life of the hotel. A hotel survives on the sale of rooms, food, beverages, and other minor services such as laundry, health club, and so on. The sale of rooms constitutes a minimum of 65% of these sales. Thus, the major part of the hotel's margin of profit comes from room sales because a room once made can be sold over and over again. The effort that a housekeeping department makes in giving a guest a desirable room has a direct bearing on the guest experience in a hotel. Guest rooms are the heart of the hotel unless its decor is appropriate, the air odor free, and furnishings and upholstery spotless clean. The hotel may lose the guest as a potential repeat customer. The housekeeping department not only prepares the clean guest rooms on a timely basis for arriving guests but also cleans and maintains everything in the hotel so that the property is as fresh and attractive as the day it opened for business. Housekeeping thus is an auxiliary department that contributes in a big way towards the overall reputation of the property. It is rightly said that housekeeping is a 24 into 7 into 365 days operational. Imagine the staff of linen needed to be make up all the beds in a hotel, the huge amount of bath soap, tissues, and other amenities such as shampoo, colognase, and so on that must be placed in the guest room, the miles of carpeting, floors, walls, and ceilings to be cleaned and maintained, the countless pieces of furniture that must be dusted and polished, and the barrels of cleaning compounds along with special tools and equipment needed in order to clean this scientific housekeeping demands the employment to the most effective cleaning and procedures, attention to purchasing the most suitable linen and supplies, maintenance of decorative areas under the housekeeping department, pure view and proper organization and supervision. Responsibilities of housekeeping department. Achieve the maximum possible efficiency in ensuring the care and comfort of the guest and in the smooth running of the department. Coordinate with the front office department for efficient sale of rooms. Establish a welcoming atmosphere and ensure courtesy, reliable service for all the staffs of the department. Ensure a high standard of cleanliness and general upkeep in all areas for which the department is responsible. Provide linen in room, restaurants, banquet halls, conference venues, health clubs, and so on, as well as maintain an inventory for the same.